Hey guys, it's me here. I'm at work right now. I just wanted to do a quick little video update about some things that's going on as far as in the medication world. Right now, a lot of medications are going on back order. It's becoming tougher to find certain drugs like amlodipine and atorvastatin because a lot of them are made in China and then some are made in India as well. India has put restrictions on what they will send to America. Also, China manufactures a lot of the ingredients that also go to India and even that come to America to make these medications that are made in America. So I just wanted to let you guys know, if you can, any state that has issued a state of emergency, you can get refills early on your medications. You just have to tell the pharmacy and we will call your insurance companies and get the overrides for you. Excuse me, I'm not sick with corona. Again, allergies. So I just wanted to put that out there. Things are going on back order as far as you know, as well. All the cleaning supplies are pretty much going on back order. There's no hand sanitizer. I can't get hand sanitizer in. We can't get alcohol in anymore for cleaning. So go out, get your alcohol, not the liquor, the isopropyl, or any kind of alcohol would work, just so you can make sure you clean your surfaces. Sorry, clean your whatever you need to clean, and just make sure that you get as much alcohol as you can before it's all gone, because like I said, we're not able to order that in. Of course, as you know, we can't get any mask, we can't get any hand sanitizer, gloves, we have a few left, but gloves are about to be gone also. So please go out if you can. Get this stuff now. You should have been gotten it, but if you haven't, go get it now and try to get your medications refilled early. Like, again, the insurance companies are allowing this because if you live in a state that is a state of emergency, you can get your prescriptions filled early and get them filled now, just in case something does happen. It's good to have them on hand. You should always try to have a little bit. Most insurance companies prior to this would also refill prescriptions anywhere from 7 days to 3 days early, depending on the medication. Of course, no controls and things like that. But I just wanted to let you guys know. I wanted to put that out there. Just please get what you can now. Get your medications refilled. Just in case something does happen and these medications go on back order, you're going to need your medications. You're going to need your blood pressure medications. You're going to need your Advairs. Advairs and Ventolins are starting to get harder to come by. Most insurance companies only cover the generics, which is the albuterol inhaler. If you also are asthmatic, please go out and get this stuff now. Get it refilled.